If Krita keeps bringing up the pop-up palette when you right-click or use a shortcut, don't worry, because in this video I'm going to show you exactly how to disable the Krita pop-up palette in just a few simple steps. This is a really useful fix if the palette gets in the way while you're drawing, painting, or navigating your canvas. And if this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more quick Krita tutorials. Alright, let's jump in. First, open Krita and go to the top menu. Click Settings, then choose Configure Krita. This opens Krita's main settings window, where you can customize a lot of different tools and behavior options. Once the settings window is open, look at the sidebar on the left and click Canvas Input Settings. This section controls how your mouse, tablet, and shortcut inputs behave while you're working on the canvas. It's the place where you can change interactions like right-click actions, gesture controls, and other input methods. Now, inside Canvas Input Settings, find the section labeled Show Pop-Up Palette and click it to expand the options. This is where Krita manages the shortcut or button that triggers the pop-up palette. If the palette is appearing unexpectedly, this is the exact area you need to adjust. Next, look for the line that lists right button under the input column. This means the pop-up palette is currently assigned to your right mouse button. If you want to completely disable it, right-click that line and select Delete Method. That removes the current input assignment, so the pop-up palette will no longer activate from that button. If you don't want to disable it completely and would rather assign it to something else, you can remap it instead. To do that, double-click the entry under the input column and then press the new key, mouse button, or shortcut combination you want to use. This is a great option if you still want quick access to the palette, but on a different control that doesn't interrupt your workflow. After you've made your change, click over to save and apply the new settings. Once you close the window, try working on your canvas again to make sure the pop-up palette is no longer triggering the way it used to. And that's it. You've now disabled or remapped the Krita pop-up palette. It's a small change, but it can make a big difference in how comfortable and efficient your drawing workflow feels. If this video helped, please like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next Krita tip or tutorial. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.